Welcome to my terrace. This is where I come every evening to watch the sunset. We get to see lovely sunsets from here throughout the year, and whenever I would get the time, I would come up here. But ever since the lockdown began, this has been a regular pastime with me. Today, we've just had the sunset. I missed it by a few minutes, but you can see in a while the sky would soon darken and night would fall because there is no sunlight. Sunset. What does it mean, sunset? Where does the sun go? Does it go sleep like we do in a bed and then wake up the following morning, in this case tomorrow morning, in the east? No. The sun never sets, and the sun doesn't rise too. That is a concept that we have brought about. We humans have brought about. The sun has just moved on to another part of the world. For us, for the part of the world where we are now in, the sun has traversed its distance. But the sun has not set. And the sun never rises. The sun is constant. So, what does that mean in terms of time? Yet, we like to mark time: sunrise 6 a.m., sunset 6 p.m., and we think we know time. The watch that I am wearing now, I just realized that the hands have stopped moving. For this watch, time has stopped. Does it mean that time has stopped for all of us? No. Time never stops. It's constant in its movement. We talk of todays and tomorrows and yesterdays without realizing that we are always in the present, in today, in the now. And we are just moving through time. Yet we talk of sunrises and sunsets and the rays of the sun, the light from the sun falling on the earth, and the rays of the sun not falling on the earth, and the moon reflecting the light. Do we even stop to realize, do we even stop to think that what we call a sunset, what we have perceived now, or what we are perceiving of the horizon at this very minute, could have been something that, in terms of celestial time, happened some 2 hours ago, or maybe even 2000 years ago? We do not know. And yet, we talk of time as if we know everything. We talk of the sunrise, but have we ever calculated the time it would take for the rays of the sun, for that particular ray of the sun to reach the earth to where we are standing? Again, it would probably take 2 hours or even 2000 years. And yet, we look at the sun and say, oh, there the sun is rising, or there the sun is setting. We look at everything from our plane, from our perspective. and we say we know everything. What does that make of our knowledge of time? Are we living in an illusion? What is real? What is illusion? Let us ponder over this for now. I will join you with more such videos in the forthcoming issues. Thank you so much.